If you're looking for a streaming application updated in the last few days with hundreds and hundreds of live channels, with thousands and thousands of movies, TV shows, even with a fully working program guide, all of that is available in this new version of this application. Now, the great thing is the application doesn't require any kind of registration. It works great on your Fire Sticks, Android TVs, even just a simple browser on your phone, on your computer. You can use that and go ahead and access all of this great content. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here you can see, as reported today, July 25th, by the Streamable, Sling FreeStream now gets more channels, giving you a total of 430 that are now fully available in this application. And we can see that the application, which is ad supported, has been getting better and better, adding lots of new channels, lots of movies, lots of TV shows have now all been added. And with this latest update, they've now added all of these extra channels that you can see here. So some very popular channels that you definitely recognize, have all been added into this service. Now, when you start the application for the first time, we can see it does give you a few options. The try us today and the sign in are basically options where you'd have to go through the sign up procedure and choose one of the premium tiers with Sling. But with my video today, I'm only interested in absolute free content, the content you can enjoy on all of your devices without requiring any kind of sign up. Now, to take advantage of that option, you want to click on where it says stream free. Let's click on that and we are taken straight into that content. I can click on maybe later and we are now on the home page. So right at the top, we can see we have a very large collection of live content. Then we have a recommended section. Then we have different categories for Asian stories, must-see movies. We have an arcade section, featured shows, action. You got sports on Sling. Then you got the premium packages. Again, I'm going to ignore the premium packages, ignore the streaming hub, black entertainment, comedy, horror, romance, news and business, sports. Let's try the sports ones. Here, for example, we can see we have Battle Court. Let's click on that. Give that a second. And we can see we are taken straight into that channel. And that really is a fantastic high definition picture. Let's back out of that. Got some sports content. Then you got some other free episodes, true crime, music videos, new channels, browse categories, and then browse by channel. Then here's the option to create a free account if you want to, but in my demonstration, I'm not going to do that. Let's go back to the left. Let's now click on guide. And we should now be taken into this fully working program guide, the full EPG, where you can see exactly what channels are on here, and more importantly, what's on those channels. And you will notice on the bottom right, this application does support picture-in-picture. And the way we can turn that off, if you hold down the back button, and now I get the option to either make that picture-in-picture full screen. I can mute it, but I'm going to go for close. That's now closed down. And here we are, guys. We now have access to all of these channels. And with that program guide, I know exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. And I can access all of this content in here. And this is a very, very big list. I believe it's over 450 channels. Here, for example, we have boxing TV. Click on that. And again, in less than 5 seconds, we are taken straight into that broadcast. All right, that's looking good. Let's go back. Again, I'm going to hold down the back button to close down that picture-in-picture. That's now gone. And I'm just whizzing through now just so you can see the sheer volume of channels in here, guys. But you can see no registration, no login. You can install this application and get access to all of this great content in here. You got some Spanish content, drama, game shows, comedy, just so many things, so many genres for you to browse through and find something to watch. Here, for example, is Forensic Files. I'm just picking a random channel just to show you that it's not just one channel, one TV show, one episode, as this is an official licensed application. Everything in here, it's working straight away. And we are now looking at some Forensic Files. It's working great. Let's back out of that. Now, if you don't go through a big list, I believe you can press back again. And right at the top here, we can see we have access to categories of these channels or the genres for these channels. So here we have recent. Let me close down the picture in picture. So again, hold down the back button and click on close video. Okay, so we got sports channels, news and opinion, movies, comedy, lifestyle, reality, all of your favorite genres are at the top. So for example, if I'm interested in action and thrillers, I can click on that. This then filters out that content and then just shows me the action and thriller content only. Then you got the on-demand section. So this is basically your VOD, video on demand content. And you can see again, very popular, very new content is in here. Is that classic Whose Lines It Anyway? I can click on that, give that a second. Let's go for season 9, episode 19. Click on that. Would you believe it, guys? No interruptions, no pop-ups in less than 5 seconds. So really, I'm very impressed with this application. Let's back out of that. So that's the VOD section. And we can see with this particular show, you had 9 seasons of content to access directly on here. And we're now back to the homepage with all of the favorite recommended content. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this latest update for Sling Free Stream. As I've demonstrated today, the application works on Fire Sticks, Android TVs, as well as any kind of browser. You can type in the address watch.sling.com and access all of this content. And the fact that it doesn't require any registration, I definitely think it's worthwhile checking out. Now, to get the latest version of this application, just open up the Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store and just search for Sling Free Stream and you'll get the latest version directly from there. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this in your application store, as always, I'll leave a copy of this application directly on my website. Just open up tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this updated version of Sling Free Stream for all of your devices. As with all of these official streaming applications, you do have to have a USA IP address. And the easiest way to do that is to use some kind of VPN. Right now, there's a super special offer. Total protection for unlimited devices. Doesn't matter if you have 10 Fire Sticks or 25 Android TVs and 4 laptops. All of your devices will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address, change your virtual location. You can hide your online activities. You can access all of your favorite streaming applications wherever you are in the world. Really, to get all of that for just $2.19 a month, I really think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. And they also give you those 3 months free. Using my link does help support my channel. So many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.